My name is Lathitha. I'm a second year student at the Solo Agriculture and Rural Development Institute, also known as TADI, which is situated here in the Eastern Cape. So TADI specializes in animal health, which is a huge part of the agriculture. We deal with animals almost every day, from the handling to the processing of the products from the animal products. So in animal health, we have different equipment that we use on our daily lives, from the handling to the production. So here in my table, I have the different instruments that we use almost every day. So I'm going to take you through the instruments. So here we have the shearing scissor, which we use for shearing our sheep. And here we have our hoof trimmer, which is used to trim the hoofs. And then here we have a badizo, which is used to castrate. Mostly this one we use it for large stock. Health has a huge impact also on people. Hence, it is very important that every time you are dealing with such things, we learn the proper ways of disposing. Hence, we have various bins that we dispose in. With the diploma, you can work as an animal health technician, which means it's hands-on learning in the field, where you'll be handling animals, or you can work as a farm manager or work in a feedlot or as a meat inspector. It is also advisable for animal health technicians to start their own practice because they have been granted the permission to actually do so. Hence, we as TADI have the organization which is Imectus, which teaches young people business skills and entrepreneurship. The animal health field that's mainly considered to be male-dominated. Society has deemed it to be for males, but we are the proof that females can do it, and they can also do it even better. So my advice to young people, and especially females out there, is to go for it. You can do it. Women's Day means a lot to me as a young woman, especially now that I'm in the villages studying in a field that has been considered to be for males.